Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little button nose for your bear. So you're going to need a tapestry needle and some tan yarn, and we're going to go ahead and go to work on that. You're going to begin by coming up under the chin somewhere and coming out in the center, front of the nose, and then we're going to come up a couple stitches, and then you're going to go back down into the same place that you came out of. Now at this point we're going to go back in the top, back out the bottom, and we're going to do this a couple times, just making sure you're going back in and out of the same spot and then moving your yarn from one side to the other, so the next one will be on the opposite side. Now I want the top of mine to come over just a little bit, so I am going to go over one stitch and start working in that one just to widen that one side out. So you just have to kind of play around with it to get it how you would like it. Okay, now that you have it the way that you want it, you do need to take this tail and bring it out here, fasten that off, and hide it to the inside. And that's all you do to make the nose.